Mrs. Heavy Chevy here. Guess I got a few things done today. I installed my bench grinder that I picked up from the flea market last weekend. I was pretty excited about that, actually. The only downfall is the on is actually the off, and the off is the on. Other than that, works pretty good. It's got a light. I gotta get a bulb for it. Hoping that works. Pretty sure it does. Anyway, I cut 79 butter knives, and I managed to get together 8 dragonflies. And there they are. But I'm tired, and I'm going to call it a day. Thanks for watching.